Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download PUBG Mobile Battleground India on your iPhone. So first of all guys, let me talk about the App Store. If you go to the App Store and you search for PUBG Mobile India Battleground, you can't find it. Why? Because you have changed your App Store to the Korea version. So when the PUBG was banned in India, you had download in PUBG Korea on your iPhone. So you have changed the country. So first of all, you need to change the country to India. Change the App Store country to India for download PUBG Mobile Battleground India. So first of all, let me change country. So go to the country and region. Then guys, click on change country or region. Then scroll down. So now first of all select India here. So here is the India. Click on India, then click on agree. Now guys, click on none. So now enter the street and your city and your state. So now you have selected. Now enter the postal code. Now enter your phone number here. So now click on next button. Sorry, postal code is invalid. Now click on next button. Now the guys App Store has been changed. So as you can see, now the App Store has changed. Now you can download PUBG Mobile. With the PUBG Mobile, if you search for PUBG Mobile, you can't find PUBG Mobile India in the App Store. So guys, as you know that PUBG Mobile India has been released for Android, so it's not released yet for iOS version. So when it's gonna be released, it's 25 to 30 of June. So yes guys, just change the App Store to India, and after the 10 days you can download PUBG Mobile India from here. So hope you guys like this video. Leave a like and comment and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.